Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by replacing batteries now. Use fresh AA or AAA and verify polarity. Next, put the Google remote into pairing mode. Hold the home and back buttons for 7 seconds, because that forces discovery. Once done, open the TV's Bluetooth or the Google TV network settings and keep the smartphone nearby with the remote app installed. This reduces variables and speeds pairing. If a firmware update is pending on the TV, postpone it until the remote connects successfully. You now handle the tricky middle work. Power cycle both units, unplug the TV for 30 seconds and remove remote batteries briefly, because this clears temporary faults. Then attempt manual pairing. Select Add Accessory or Bluetooth on the TV, and when prompted, enter the on-screen code exactly as shown. This forces a secure link. Make sure to disable other nearby Bluetooth devices and Wi-Fi hotspots that cause interference, and move within 3 feet for the initial handshake to maximize. You finish by verifying control. Test home, back, volume, and directional buttons to ensure full functionality. If everything responds, let the TV rest for 2 minutes to finalize settings. If pairing fails repeatedly, perform a factory reset on the remote. Hold home and back for 12 seconds, then retry. One key troubleshooting tip: if problems persist after these steps, reinstall or update the TV's firmware. Corrupt TV firmware often blocks stable remote connections, and a reflash can resolve stubborn pairing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.